Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name's Courtney, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online. So if you like videos like that, make sure you smash that subscribe button and you also hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I drop a new video. Today we're going to talk about Prizerebel and how it works and how you can use this site every single day. As you see, I am a diamond member. When you sign up, you're a bronze, then you go to silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. Diamond is the highest level that there is. You want to get to gold so you have automatic prize processing. I'm going through this quickly because I've done several videos on this. This is your inbox. This is where you can enter a promo code. You need to get the Chrome extension for Prizerebel. Dynanta is having a survey bonus. You can click here to enter. Like I said, the link for this will be in the description. Sign up, get a bonus. Latest raffle is a $100 Amazon gift card. You can set your reward goal. Mine is set for $5 PayPal money. Here's your referral code. Mine's down in the description, like I said. Here's another place to enter your promo code. There's offers, there's surveys, offers, and videos you can do. You can do surveys. There's a bunch of survey providers. We have OptiWorld, Your Surveys, Peanut Labs, Innovate, Taluna, Gold, Pro, and Say So. Okay. I always did. So from 527 to 528, earn 30 points for every 5 surveys that you complete. Okay. So that won't last forever. The offer walls are Peanut Labs, AdGate, OfferToro, AdGym, Polefish, AT Studios, Point Click Track, Ascend, Revenue Universe. I always get on here. I go to Peanut Labs first. I go to Info Submit. I go to Popular because if I go to Popular, I know they're going to credit. Some of these didn't credit. You see here, it says I opened them, but they didn't credit. All right. And that's just the way it is with offers sometimes, the higher ones. Video wall. They do have Ascend videos. You can run these when you're not at your computer. You can just let these run. You can also do offers from Ascend Media. Let's go to the rewards. And there is tons of rewards, guys. You can keep scrolling. There's tons. Moe's and Expedia, Kroger, Gold, Rudy Razor Gold, Cervesky's, McAllister, Cinnabon, Apple, Amazon, Dunkin' Donuts, Burger King, Chipotle, Starbucks. There's tons, guys, and it just keeps loading. So you can definitely get your favorite gift card. And I use this site every single day. I'll show you my rewards history. I haven't been on today. I only have 6 points. You see for May, I cashed out $5 the 16th. So this year I've redeemed $46.75. Last year I redeemed $60.26. My point balance is 6. My points today is 0. Points earned yesterday, 0. Points earned this month, $5.27. Points earned this year, $45.34. Lifetime points, $528.91. Rewards claimed, 94. Total referrals, I have 90, and I haven't received any referral points. So I'll show you my points history. Peanut Labs, AdGate, OfferToro. That's normally the one that I go for. Peanut Labs, OfferToro, AdGate. Daily Challenge, Peanut Labs, Revenue Universe, AdGate. Offer, Ascend Media offer, AdGate. I just jump on here, do a couple offers, and jump off. My goal every day is $5. That's what I focus on. I jump on here. I try to make $5. If my referrals haven't helped me, then I do it myself, because let's see my referral stats. It might show that I have a bunch of referrals, but that doesn't mean they're doing anything. So 0 points today, 0 points this week, 470 this month, which is good, $4.70. One total referral, 50 total clicks. So 2 people click, 3 people click, 3 people click, 5 people click, 3 people click, 4 people click, 7 people click, 3, 5, 7, but you don't ever see any signups. The last time I've got any money really is the 4th of May. So we've got clicks, but no signups. So I had one sign up the 3rd. What I can tell you guys is to use this site every single day to make income for you and your family. This can pay for gas and groceries. Think about it. $5 a day times 7 is $35 in your pocket. And it doesn't take that long. Get on here, do a couple surveys, do a couple offers, do these videos, share your link, show people that it really does work. Okay? Show them. And I'm so grateful for my referrals that hustle, that make some money for themselves and their families. I am truly grateful for that, but I just wanted to jump on here, show the new people how Prizerebel works, how you can use it every day in your life. They have surveys here. They have different surveys. You can try to take these and qualify. There's offer walls. There's your surveys. There's Peanut Labs. There's Pro Surveys to Luna. There is, like I said, let me see. My daily challenge is 145, which is $1.45. They'll give me 5 cents. If I do that for 5 days, they give me a quarter. So make sure you guys join this site. The link will be in the description. I hope you use this site daily to make money for you and your family. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll be back soon with another video.